Hari Om everyone. I invoke the blessings of Lord and Puja Gurudev to inspire me to speak. Before we proceed further, gratitude to everyone who has participated in this campaign, Reimagine Education as Champions. Thank you so much and lots of gratitude. Today I would do a quick refresher training and also just talk about the way forward. So I will just share the presentation with all of you. So, what are the basic steps which are to be done? And before we start, I would request all of you who are watching this to either type in the keypad or when you're going to see the recording to mark a yes or a no in your notebook that whether you have done it or not. This is very important. One, made the Shadika list. Have you done that? Because without the list, you are not going to go anywhere. And what is the numbers of people in the list have you done? Have you forgotten someone? And it always happens till the last moment. We don't remember. We have not called an ex uncle or a Y auntie, and last moment we still go behind them. So here also, let's make that Shadika list and a long list at that. Number one. Number two, have I made my first contribution? This goes for everyone who has not started out. So if you have not started out, make your first contribution and start today. Made daily calls. So have you made your daily calls every day? Have you given 30 minutes, 60 minutes to make the daily calls, which is over there? Sent out messages on WhatsApp to friends and family members. Have you done that? Have you sent out your messages on WhatsApp to friends and family members, which is there? And send reminder message number 2 on WhatsApp. So just not the first message, but have you sent the reminder message? So do type, whether you have done it or not as a yes or a no. And when you're watching the recording, just make a note of that. Then we come, what have you all got the thank you note which was supposed to be done? The message template has been provided. Have you done that? Have you got the CVV brochures with you? Have you changed your WhatsApp and Facebook profile picture? This is important because when you engage with other people, it always pays to have your Reimagine Education profile, a pic over there. Then birthday greetings. Are you wishing all your friends? Each one of you would be wishing 2 friends or 3 friends. And if we take that, there would be close to 100 friends which you would be reaching out simply through this campaign. And people are generous during donation during these times. Prasad details for donors. Each donor is going to get something from our side. All donors who contribute over 2,500 rupees. And I hope you have the Prasad details with you. Overseas donation process, we have already shared that with you. It could be useful. There's a direct link for USA, and those who are staying in other locations apart from this thing can donate locally and get tax benefits. Thank you creative to be posted on social media for all those who have achieved their targets. Go out on Facebook, go out on LinkedIn, go out on Instagram, and thank everyone who would have donated for their campaign. And third, many of you would have your birthday celebrations. So if your birthday celebration, type a yes now, or if if you're watching it recording, think, is it your birthday in this month, and would you like to dedicate your birthday till August 3rd for the cause? As Swamiji said, this campaign is now extended till 3rd August. What are the next steps to be taken? Okay, WhatsApp group, post it on your relatives, school, college, former company group. You and your spouse can also post on other WhatsApp group. Engage your friends, engage your spouse. Ask them to post on their WhatsApp group, which is there. Social media launch, very, very, very important. Please underline this. Have you posted it on Facebook and LinkedIn? And so, apart from sharing the text, which is there, be creative. Okay, and over a period of time, we'll share some examples in the groups as to how to be creative, and you will also see in the next few slides. The youth can use the Instagram stories and videos. Expand your list. 70% of your Facebook friends should be your list. On Facebook, we have so many friends, and use the Facebook Messenger. We have been using the WhatsApp earlier. Now start using the Facebook Messenger. Broadcast list for friends. You may have you on their phone book. Make the broadcast list. What is broadcast list and why it is important? I'm just going to talk about it right now. And only after your complete list is exhausted, please understand this. Once your complete list is exhausted in the last, say, 9 days, there are 26 alphabets. So last 9 days, select from phone book A to Z, which is there. and send out the WhatsApp messages which is there. It doesn't harm anyone, because you never know. And it has personally, I have personally experienced it. Someone I would have met years back, not even just a friend and acquaintance, knew about Chinmay Mission and contribute funds. So the funds can come from any place. So you can do this in the last 9 days which is there. Now let's come to creative ways to raise funds. Let's have some fun when we are raising funds. How do we do that? uh, Take all the safety COVID precautions. I'm not asking anyone of you to step out, but I'm just saying that how few people have done. So this is an example of Chinmay Mission Australia, where the person has done street cleaning, learning shlokas, cycling can be done, running can be done at home. You can count the number of steps you're walking, and that's what you can share with your friends. Or you can do a lockdown, a weekend cook off. Like Darren, for example, had done it in Australia. Even I cooked for the first time. So all you guys out over there, if you're not cooked before, you can go ahead and cook it. So if you're a good singer, you could do an online concert. As I said, you could do a walking challenge. You could do a weight loss challenge, saying, "Hey, I would want to lose some weight." Cook off, which is there. I've spoken. Building, cleaning could be done. Art show. If you're good at paintings, you can possibly do an art show. Teach any art for a cause. So if you're good at singing, you're good at guitar, you may teach to other people in your location over Zoom, or because of COVID restrictions, obviously you cannot do it in physical, but over Zoom, if you can teach, and whatever fees comes in, you can ask them to donate it, and many of them have done that. Meditation challenge which you can take, and a yoga challenge. How about doing 100 handstats challenge? Whoever can do it at different places. So these are some of the creative ways in which you can attract attention on Facebook and social media and raise funds. Then, most important now, how do you create the broadcast list? Which is very important, because it's not going to be humanly possible for you to reach out to 300, 400 friends. So the simple way is, right now, as you're listening to this, please pick up your phone. Okay, you on the right hand side, you will see the three dots, and in that you will see new broadcast. Okay, the three dots and the new broadcast. I'm going to be slightly slow over here. So this is important thing. And then you will get the new broadcast and select the friends. Mind you have to select those friends whom you think have added you. If they don't have you in your phone book, the broadcast message will not go to them. So, what is the kind of broadcast list you need to make? Number one, you need to make the broadcast list for donors, which is very, very, very important. Please underline this, because we are not doing this activity just for one time. We will be doing year after year, and it's very important that you reach out to donors. So, if you see over here, all of those who contributed to my son's Krishna's campaign, about 180 of them, I made a Chinmay Mission donor list, and I used to send out to them, periodic updates. I would send them to them New Year greetings, Holy greetings. Very important to call and wish them, and also during COVID time, just doing a check on them, that if they are all fine, which is there, number one. And number two is the potential donors, which you see on the right hand side. So I had about more than 120, 130 potential donors over there, and I used to send them reminders to donate, which is there. And once any person he donates from your potential donor list, you remove it from there and add it to your donors list. It's slightly a task which is there, but you can do it. It makes your life very, very simple. It's an initial 10-15 minutes exercise to make the broadcast list, and after that it becomes very smooth, and you'll remember me for that. Okay. Hygiene check, all of you who can do that. So when you sent out your first message, as you can see, I had sent out a holy greeting message to everyone in my circle. If you click on the icon one, on the right hand side, you will see I over there on the top, and you will see the message info. So you will see on the right hand side, there are two tabs I've shown. One is seen by and delivered to, when you scroll down. So seen by and delivered to are both the people who have received the messages. So don't worry about that. So if you have a broadcast list of 200, and it is seen by 80 and delivered to another 80, that is 160, 40 people have not seen your message. So I'm repeating, if you have 200 friends in your broadcast list and 80 have seen and 80 it is delivered to, there are 40 who are still not received. So again, here as a one-time exercise, you could possibly identify those 40 who have not seen your messages, and to those people you can send out one-to-one, which is there. Now, coming to the last part, which is the science of sharing, which I'm borrowing from Ranga, that it is very important right now that you get people involved, post on Facebook, and request them to tag their friends. So you can post and tag your friends and ask them to share, and you can ask your friends also, whoever had donated, to go on Facebook and tag their friends. And do not share, ask them not to share on all the groups, only on one group. So what will happen is, if you ask me that I have to tag 10 of my friends for a campaign which I'm doing, I will actually, think about it and feel that, okay, who are my 10 friends who are most likely to donate. Do understand that one share on Facebook and one share on Facebook, on WhatsApp, will get you minimum one donation. So all of us can easily double what we have done just by getting our donors to share. How do we do that? Call them and thank them. Tell them that you need a favor. They've already done, they've already donated to you. So tell them you need one more additional favor. Request them to share. So make a customized message, which means that they should say for example, I'm asking Vivek to share. So I will say, Vivek will share with an opening line saying, "Hey, I have contributed to Jagdish's campaign, and I'm requesting you to contribute." And copy paste it. Do not forward it. Your own message. Give them a polite reminder maybe once, saying, have you shared it, which is there. And now let's all go for what we are waiting for, the Sankalp. So please take this Sankalp that from now on till 3rd August, how much time I'm going to give. So each day I'm going to give, say, 15 minutes time or 30 minutes time or 1 hour time, you decide, and make maybe 5 calls or 10 calls. So decide. Like, I got Krishna to take a Sankalp that each day I will give 60 minutes on weekdays and 120 minutes, which is 2 hours on weekends, and make 10 to 20 phone calls. I know many people who are kind and will give. Very important, you please take this Sankalp. And thank you so much for listening to me. Hari Om.